Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And I want to show you something really fun. Now, I am addicted to paper, but I'm also addicted to ribbon. And a lot of times we don't have ribbon in our colors. Not all, I mean, usually they're pretty good, but sometimes you just want a ribbon that they don't have in the color you want. So they have, this is in the Occasions catalog. It's the 3/8 inch, what is it? Not 3/8. Yeah, it's 3/8 inch white organza ribbon, or it's a 1/4 inch white organza ribbon. Looks a little bigger than the corner, but it's clear. It's white. It's got a light, you can see through sheer with the organza. But this is a really great thing. I'm going to show you how to make this any color, any Stampin' Up! Color. So, well, the first thing you can do is you can take our blenders. And now I know we don't have them all in the same color, but you can take our blendies. Now this is going to get, you're going to get messy doing this. And you have now a delightful, or a Daffodil Delight ribbon. And you do both sides. And there you go. Let's bring this down a little so you can see it. There is a delight. Yeah, see, I got it all over my finger. Now, say I want an elegant eggplant, and there is no elegant eggplant ribbon, but I want an elegant eggplant. So I take out my elegant eggplant Stampin' Right marker, and I do the same thing. Okay. And do the other side. And you can do it all, you know, how long ever you want it, whatnot. Now, I know we used to have ombre ribbon, but what if you want your own ombre ribbon? So what you do is you can either use our Stampin' pads, or you can use some ink refills, but you're going to always start, lay it down, and you're going to always start on the same end, and you're going to go down. Just start at the same end and go down. Start at the same end until you get an ombre. See, it starts dark and goes light. And then go in the back. The only thing I'll have to tell you though is from the back, remember which side you start on, which was your top side and which is your bottom side, because you don't want one side going this way and the other side going the other way for your ombre. And there you go. So those are just 3 different ways you can color up our organza ribbon. So buy some of the ribbon and try it yourself. You can find all the information, and there's a link down below that where you can purchase it. So thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.